5 Innovative Ways to Earn Money from Home with Your Computer. Hello everyone, welcome to our video on how to make money online. Today we are going to show you different ways in which you can make money without having to leave your home. First, one of the most popular ways to make money online is by creating a blog or YouTube channel. If you have writing skills or are an expert on a subject, sponsorships. You can create content online and monetize it through ads or sponsorships. Another way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This means that you can promote other people's products on your website or social networks, and earn a commission for each sale made through your affiliate link. You can also earn money by selling products online. This can be anything from physical products to digital products such as ebooks or online courses. You can sell these products on your website or through platforms like Amazon or Etsy. Another way to make money online is through creating and selling online courses. If you are an expert in a subject or skill, you can create an online course and sell it through websites like Udemy or Teachable. Last but not least, you can also earn money online through creating and selling mobile apps. If you have programming skills, you can create an app and sell it on the App Store or Google Play. These are some of the many ways in which you can earn money online. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solution, so choose the one that best suits your skills and interests and start making money online today. Thanks for watching our video.